Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of T-Dog RC. And the day has finally arrived. I've been trying to put this day off and make excuses, but I can't make any more excuses. We're going to maiden the Avanti, which I have converted to a real turbine engine. There's a little bit of a crosswind today, which is not ideal, but it's not too strong. So yeah, I think we just got to go for it, get the maiden done, get it trimmed out, and hopefully have some fun with it. So without further ado, let's get this thing fired up and let's get started. Right then guys, this is it. I've done all the pre-flight checks, I've ran the engine up, I've taxied it around already, made sure we've got no issues around that. So yeah, we've just got to maiden it. Just check that the timer's working, which it is. Okay, let's start it up. Okay, just give it a quick check. Right, left, up, down. Let's go for it. Needs a lot of down trim and a lot of right trim. Let's just bring it back round, slow it right down. Uh-oh. Right, still needs some right trim. Okay. Still needs right and down. Whoa. Oh, it's done a loop. That's the second time I've just done that. Wowzers. Needs loads of down trim. Shit. Try and get this thing under control. Okay, I think I've just done 2 loops by accident. That's how out of trim it was. But it's coped with those okay. I'm going to test my gyro now. I'm going to get that switched on. Hopefully it will stabilise it a bit. Bring it in a bit lower. Still climbing. I'm not going to fly it for too long, and I'm going to start bringing it into land because I'm just worried about how much fuel I've actually got. I'll just do one quick pass.
2 minutes.
Open it up a little bit. sounding good, guys. Right, I'm going to start getting it ready for landing. I think I've about got it trimmed up. Still needs down trim. Okay. I think we're going to need to give it a good run up for the landing. Problem is that there is a crosswind. Oh, yikes. Ah, it's down. It's down, it's down, it's down, it's down, it's down. Oh, that bump was a bit nasty. I have got flaps on it, but I didn't want to try them because I didn't know how much that was going to affect it in flight. But made and done. God, that was the most nerve-wracking flight I've ever done, I can tell you now. But yeah, I'm sorry guys that it wasn't super exciting, I realise that, but I just wanted to be super careful with it, super cautious with it. Loads of you have been watching, loads of you wanted to know, you know, when I was going to maiden this thing. I hope you enjoyed that. Whoa. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Just had a little bit of a mishap there with tried to turn it and it just sort of flipped over, but it's all fine. So yeah, but looking at the model, it all looks absolutely fine. You can see here there's no the pipe's obviously doing its job. There's no melting around there or anything. So let's see how much fuel we've got. We flew that for only a couple of minutes. Yeah, there's a fair bit of fuel left in it, so I definitely think it will be okay for... the problem is I can't fill the tank up right to the top. There's something going on with the vent pipe, so I just need to have a play with that when I get it back home. But yeah, I think I could probably get another 30 seconds out of it, although I was flying it on pretty low throttle. So, do you know what? I think I will call that a day, because I don't want to risk anything with it. I don't want to risk it cutting out or anything like that because it's run out of fuel. That would just be stupid. But at the end of the day, I've maidened it, I've got it trimmed out, landed it. Pretty sure it was a bit of a bump on that first landing, but I think it's okay. Let's have a quick look. It's absolutely fine. It's got really nice undercarriage on this. It's just snapped the gear door off. I think that's probably just then when I taxied it round, not to do with the flight. And all it's done is just clipped out there, so that would be an easy fix. So there we go, guys. Next time I fly it, I promise I'll follow up with another video of me flying it a lot lower and faster and all that sort of stuff. But I just wanted to get this made and done so I can say that I've done it, because loads of people have watched the video. Loads of people have been asking me when I'm going to maiden it. So I wanted to get that done for you guys. And as ever, if you have enjoyed this and you're into crazy stuff like jet turbine powered models and you want to follow along to my channel, then you'd be welcome on board. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, so if you hit that subscribe button, that would really help me out. And if you've enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, and if you've got any comments, then stick the comments down in the comments section and I'll always respond to you. And until then, whew, I'll see you soon for the next one.